Hi guys, welcome to Badam Pal. We have ordered chicken biryani, chicken tandoori, and paneer
chicken
biryani. The seafood seems to be expensive, but
seafood seems to be very expensive.
Water.
But we ordered biryani and kebab in Udupi.
Now Mithun is busy. He is speaking to his amma. Lost the car keys and shamelessly talking to his mother without telling only.
Naveen,
tell da, drink da. You only drink da.
Naveen.
Lisa. முதல்லயே சொன்னேன் ஹாட் அண்ட் சோர் வேணான்னு.
Lemon coriander. I was thinking it was hot and sour and
Okay, Mithun. Now helicopter.
dash.
How is it, Ra?
Feel free. I mean, you guys can take it if you want.
How is it, Divya?
Oh, that is lemon
It's
coriander.
not good. Now I'm trying again with salt.
Pepper-inga?
Trying it too.
It's anyways waste only.
I don't want to give up. I'll always give chances.
Solle. Very late to order. We are waiting for half a day, but still we got just this food. Half a day,